Is it possible to get this high-level artwork within a minute? Yes, my friend, it's true, and it's possible. In the next 20 minutes, you and me will tour a dream art world. So without skipping any part of this video, just watch this video till the end and know the complete process of entering a dream art world. These days, lot of buzz on AI generated artwork. But first, let's have a tour to see the design artwork. Just look at this community. This will completely blow your mind. No human is creating this, not even hand drawing, not using Photoshop or Affinity Photo or any professional software or anything. These are created by command and AI generated. Here, whatever you are seeing right now, generated with AI with prompts. Just the word the people are typing and design are generated. Now, don't you feel you are living in a dream world? So basically, you are putting your text prompt and AI is creating your artwork, and there are two main platforms, DALL-E 2 and MidJourney. In this video, we will discuss the MidJourney platform, which is open source and right now open for everyone. To get started, go to Google and type MidJourney. Click on the first link, midjourney.com, and here click Join the Beta. Now you all know how this type of stuffs work. Create a new Discord account with your username, password and email ID, then verify your email ID, and that's it. Now as you sign up, you will get a limited free trial. These are like FB Messenger room. And for new user, click here new bits. For newcomer, 2 rooms are available. Click anyone and enter the room. Now here all the people are generating their artwork. You can see what people are creating, how they are using prompts and what they are typing, all those things. Just watch this. This type of art takes at least an hour, but this is created in a minute. See this color grading and photo composite. What can I say? Just a big wow. Let's see what other people are generating. Now let's talk about basic. If we want to generate something, go to left, new bib, room, and here type whatever you want. Type /imagine, you will get a prompt. In the prompt, you can put whatever you want. Now this is just a basic. Describe what you want AI to generate for you. So just type your text and let's see what comes up. Then hit enter. Okay, I am typing burning skull, ring, dark background, detail 8K. Let's see what comes up. Enter. MidJourney bot start to create for me. Now it's processing. And here lightly in an orange color, which means it's your work. Also you can check the username here. It processing 20%, 46%, so on. It will go up to 100%. Again, scroll down to find your work. Here, lightly in the orange color is mine. Click on the image. Aha! I'm speechless. Now, if it doesn't come like your imagination, simply click here. AI will generate again 4 art for you. This will take a time, it's not instant. Like this, keep doing it until you get satisfied. Now you can see here U and V. So U is upscale and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. U1, U2, U3, U4. If we click on any of this, it will enlarge any one of those for a better look in a large size. V means variation based on one of those. Now I need the next sample or variation on the same prompt. So click here. AI will start again with another 4 variation. This will take a time, it's not instant. Well, a lot of users are creating, so simultaneously a lot of things happening in order wise. So scroll down, start finding your work at the bottom, and here lightly in an orange color, which means it's your work. Also you can check the username here, it processing. Well, this one I like. I need to upscale and enlarge this second one and also want some other variation of the same artwork. So here I'm clicking U2 and V2, upscale and variation 2. Again, this will take a time, it's not instant. So this is image upscale version. Now it's processing. And here is an upscale version of first concept, second variation. And I will stick with this one. Wait for 100%. Finished. Let's see the result. Click on upscale to max. Make the image more enlarge. Wow, I love it. Back in the 90s when I was kid, I was a big fan of the ghost who works in the Phantom comics and remember his skull ring. I love this design AI generates with my prompts. Now if you want to save this one, right click and save image as and save it. And here are few more variations based on that particular image I wish for. Everything here is happening in public. So everyone can see what you are generating and you can see what others are generating. And yes, if you like others' work, you can use that click point to upscale or a few more variations and also you can save it. Now there are a lot of crowds and if you need to separate yourself from others and want a private workspace, then communicate with the MidJourney bot privately. Here, right side, MidJourney bot, click on it, send any message. I'm just typing hi and this will take you inside of a private mode. Means only you can see your work. There will be no more other people's noise. Again here, same. Use imagine prompt and your text to generate your artwork. Now you have to have a paid account to do this privately. So for this, go to MidJourney subscription plan. And here you can check all the plans. Monthly fee of $10 for basic membership. $30 for standard membership. Feel free and check them. Now, let's go to the community showcase and take some inspiration. Here, if you place your mouse cursor on the particular image you like, you will get all the prompts that have been used to generate this image. Also, you can copy this prompt and use it for your AI generate purpose. But it's better to take inspiration, not copy others' prompt to generate the same thing. This is my profile homepage. Whatever you have created publicly or privately, you can see those all artwork here. Just log in MidJourney and it will take you to your profile homepage. This is my profile page and all my trial works. Let's generate it another one. Back to Discord page. Here /imagine prompt. My text are Last life on the earth, dark atmosphere, hyper-realism, hell, skulls. Let's see what comes. Just wait for 100%. Scroll down to get your art. Here it is. Oh, I like the fourth one. So U4, upscaling it. Now it's processing. So remember, here the key part is all about prompt. So more you give details prompt and ask AI to do, more you will get an accurate result. Just unbelievable. This type of art just within a minute is unbelievable. And that's it for now in this video. Join MidJourney, it's free for everyone, and start generating your dream artwork within a minute. In the end, here are few more artwork I generated with my prompts by AI. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video soon.